What's going on, YouTube? CEO in the making. Doing this video really quick for those of you that's been watching the car flipping videos that I've been putting up. Just to update you guys, I know it's been a while since I put any of those videos up. So in one of the last videos, I bought that Toyota Avalon, the black one, and that white Pontiac G6. I have since sold those. It's been a couple weeks since I sold them now, but anyway, if you remember the Avalon, I paid I think it was $4,700. I ended up selling that one for $5,200, and then the Pontiac G6, I paid $3,000. I ended up selling that one for $3,500. So basically made $500 on each car. You know what I'm saying? Not a huge profit margin on either of them, but as long as I didn't lose money, you know, that's a win in my book. So if you remember in the video, I was kind of skeptical because I did pay pretty high, you know, amounts for those cars considering the year and mileage on them. So I was kind of skeptical on if I was going to make any money on them or not. But as you can see, I did still make some money on them. But hopefully prices are easing their way back down, man, because like I said, around tax time, when I put those last few videos up, prices were just crazy, and that's the main reason I end up having to pay higher amounts for those two cars, because, you know, like I said, prices were just crazy. So but I'm glad I was able to sell them. I didn't lose any money, like I said. So that's that. Fast forward, and one of the other videos, when I was at the auction, I was looking at cars. I was looking at that silver Pontiac Grand Prix. I did end up getting that. I'm actually driving it right now. So let me I took a video showing the car. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys that. So y'all can see right here, man, it's really clean. It's in great condition. A little dirty from the trees and everything. I'm dropping those, whatever you call those, I don't even know what they are. We used to call them helicopters. But yeah, man, 2006, silver in color, decent tires on it. It's got the tinted windows. Open this up here. It's really clean on the inside. It's been well taken care of. Like I said, I've been driving it for the past couple weeks, and it drives really really smooth, man. I really like it. So I paid for this with the fees and everything, $5,200, which is a little steep. But as I mentioned in that video, when I was looking at it, I knew it was going to go up just because the miles are so low on it. Like I said, it's 86,000 miles, and it's in really good shape, man. To show y'all the engine real quick. So y'all can see under there, really clean. Everything looks really good, man. It doesn't leak any fluids, nothing like that. Everything runs and shifts properly. You know what I'm saying? The only thing about this, with it being a 2006, it doesn't have a aux cord or anything. So I just been riding around listening to the radio, so that sucks. So yeah, we'll see what I'm able to get for this Grand Prix. I know $5,200, you know, that's kind of steep, so I don't know what I'm gonna sell it for. I just been driving it around for the past couple weeks just to get around. You know, my wife has been driving our car, and I've been driving this, so I haven't posted it for sale yet. I want to try and get some more cars first before I do, just because I like having an extra car around. You know, I've gotten used to having, you know, just extra cars around. So lately I haven't had much time to go to the auction to look at any cars. You know, it's been a few weeks since I've been, so I want to go back, try and get maybe 2 or 3 more cars. I just got to find time. You know, lately work has been kind of picking up a little bit, so I haven't had the time to actually go and take my time and look at the cars. So hopefully soon I can do that. I'll be sure to make a video and let you guys know if I end up getting anything. But other than that, man, I'm headed to work right now. Make sure y'all hit the subscribe button, hit that thumbs up, man, drop a comment. So yeah, until next time, see you on the making.
Keep it a buck like I'm Giannis. I'm really chasing these commas. Heat it up like a sauna. Bout that beef like piranhas.